Okay. So, once again, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Who joined later just now? Who has just come? No one? Total, how many students are there? Five, six?
Five.
Okay. So, I hope all of you have submitted the papers. Is anyone left out who has not submitted the paper by
No, sir.
12:15?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Lakani Shifa, are you there?
Yes, yes,
Shifa.
sir.
Yes, so I told you to submit the PDF, right?
Yes,
Hmm. And I hope in other subjects also you have submitted the PDF, not pictures.
yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyway, so now thought. You all might have already read today's thought. Can anyone explain? Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. Can you explain? Anyone? Can just try?
सर हिंदी में चलेगा.
Okay, try.
आज जो हम करेंगे ना तो ही हमारा फ्यूचर डिसाइड आज आज ही हमारा फ्यूचर डिसाइड करेगा.
Okay. So let me just brief you out about it. All our dreams and our aspirations can only come true if we do something about them. How soon? When? When to do? The answer to that question lies on when we will start. Starting is the most difficult and the most important thing. People keep on thinking and thinking and they don't start. That's where they make mistake. See, we cannot expect immediate results, right? Especially if we are not doing anything. If you are just sitting and not doing anything and you just keep on thinking, I'll do this and I'll do that, can you expect results? No, because you are just thinking.
No.
You are not putting your plan into action. So, whatever we want to be part of our future, it depends on what we are willing to do in the present. Just like this quote says, the future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. For example, a successful entrepreneur, a businessman, he did not build his business overnight, just within a day, 24 hours, not overnight. It may have taken him years to achieve that, right? So, what if he continues to grow his business today? He is already successful. What if he continues to grow his business today? He would be able to see more improvements in the future. It is all about what we are doing today. So if you want bright future, then you need to act now, not tomorrow or the next week. Time is the essence here. Losing a day, a week, or a few months can significantly affect our future. So stop wasting your days, make it happen today. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, how many are there? Has anyone joined? Who joined now? Who has just joined?
9 are there, sir.
Okay, so before we start a new chapter, that is chapter 4 tenses, before that I want to check how much do you know. You have to just identify the tenses. So, what is the tense in the first one?
Teaching us to do
What is the tense?
present continuous.
Present continuous? Are you sure?
Simple present.
It is correct. Present continuous. Is teaching. ing. We have been waiting for them. Number two.
Present perfect continuous.
Present perfect continuous. Who is coughing? Present perfect continuous, right? Have been plus ing.
Yes.
Okay. Number
You
five.
have past perfect.
No.
Mm,
Present perfect.
Hmm. When has and had are together, you consider the first one. He has had his breakfast. He has had his breakfast. So you have to consider this has. Has plus third form. Whose mic is on? If anyone is coughing, then please drink some water. The chief guest addressed the gathering. Which tense is it?
Simple present.
past perfect.
Simple past.
Simple past tense. Only the verb addressed is in past tense. There is no have as had. Addressed, ed, simple past.
Okay.
Number seven.
Past perfect
Past
continuous.
past perfect continuous.
Past perfect continuous. Okay. Agree.
Mm,
Then they will have learned their lessons.
mm,
Simple future.
mm. Simple future.
Future perfect.
सिंपल फ्यूचर इज व्हेन देर इज ओनली विल. यहाँ पे विल के साथ हैव भी है.
Future perfect.
यस. इट कैन नॉट बी कंटिन्यूअस बिकॉज देर इज नो आई एन जी वर्ड.
Yes.
हैव हैज हैड इज देयर. इफ यू सी हैव हैज हैड मीन्स कोई भी एक परफेक्ट टेंस होगा. नेक्स्ट. नंबर 9.
Future
Future continuous.
continuous. Future continuous.
Will be having fun. Okay. Future continuous. Then we are waiting for them.
Present continuous.
Present continuous. Simple present.
ing continuous है. Who said simple present?
Mm, yeah.
I didn't sleep well.
Simple past.
You sure?
Yes.
See, there is only did. Verb the first form may sleep, but you just have to focus on this verb. Did means it is simple past. Then
He
Simple
was at
present.
the
what?
Simple
Number 12.
present.
simple present.
Simple present. Okay.
He has got
He had sought the permission of his boss.
mm,
Simple past. Past
simple
perfect.
past. Past
Should
perfect.
I underline the
No.
verbs? Then
Past
why are you
perfect.
making mistakes? Yes. See, let's listen to me. Had plus third form, had, written, had, sung, had, played, तो वो सब कौन से टेंसेस आएंगे? Which
Past.
tense it is?
Past
But which
perfect.
one?
Past
Past
perfect.
perfect. Yes. With had, if there is third form, had written, had played, had done means it is past perfect. She had been running for hours.
Past
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 perfect
continuous.
Past continuous if you say तो had का क्या? Had है तो is it past
Past
continuous?
perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous.
Yes. If there is had, have, or has, that means the tense is perfect tense.
Yes.
15th.
Awareness. Present continuous.
Present continuous.
Okay. So here you have the answers. She is teaching her students. See, you will have to write this. You take screenshot once you will write it. Taken? Only
Yes,
the
sir.
answers you will write. Means like this.
Yes, sir.
Then
Taken.
take screenshot of the next page also. Then I will scroll
Taken, sir.
taken.
and below till 15.
Taken, sir.
Done?
Take.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So those who have grammar textbook, they can open chapter number 4. Those who don't have it, it's okay. I will
Sir, can
present
you
the
scroll up?
PDF. What?
Can you scroll up for a minute? Okay, sir, done.
Okay. So I'm presenting the PDF of chapter number 4, and today itself I will be sending the PDF of the textbook, chapter 4, 5, 6, and 7. You don't have it. You have it?
Yes, I have.
Sir. I also have, sir. I have book.
Okay, so first let us revise because tenses you have been learning right from fourth, fifth standard. But why is it there every year? Because it is the base. Only if you know the tenses thoroughly, you can solve active to passive, direct and indirect. इन सब का बेस टेंसेस में if your tenses are clear, active, passive, and direct, indirect is very easy. So first we will read about present tense. You know, total how many tenses are there? First of all, tell me. In total, in grammar, how many tenses are there?
12.
12?
Well,
Sure?
yes. Yes.
There are 12 tenses. So first we will see all the present tenses. There are four subtypes. Basically, there are three: present, past, and future,
Yes.
right? But in each three, there are four subtypes. So three fours are 12.
Mm-hmm.
Total 12 tenses we have. So present, simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous.
Perfect
That way we
continuous.
will learn. Yes. Simple present shows habitual actions, means the actions that you do daily, every day, or if it is a kind of truth or fact which we cannot change, it will be same till the universe exists. That kind of fact or truth, universal truth, or the things, actions that you do every day, That will come in simple present tense. I stay in a hostel. So stay, this is a regular action. That is habitual action. Every day I stay in a hostel. Then if we say the sun rises in the east, that is universal truth. We cannot change it. It won't ever change. तो वो भी simple present tense में आएगा. Right? Then present continuous tense, actions that are still going on, the actions which are going on at present. Grammar, we are learning grammar. So that are learning means that action is going on. That action is not over yet. It is going on. I am staying in a hostel means it is going on. The action is not yet over. Then present perfect will show the actions that happened sometime in the past. मतलब past में वो action हो गई and that action has just completed, have just been completed now. What is present perfect tense? See, if you just say, I have completed my fair book. Why do you use have? Can you tell me? Why do you make that kind of sentence? You just say, sir, I have completed my fair book, but I have completed क्यों? I completed क्यों नहीं? What is the difference? Can you tell me? You say, sir, I have completed my fair book. Okay, that is correct. Then why don't you say, I completed my fair book? Why do you say, I have completed my fair book? Anyone?
No, sir. No.
Okay. See, to express the actions that are complete और which are recently completed, ऐसी actions जो complete हो चुकी है या फिर अभी just before some time, before few hours or before few days, just recently that action has been completed. At that time we use present perfect tense. Got it?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
And second thing, when do we use present perfect tense? To express the actions that started in the past and lasted for a long time. Action जो past में start हुई थी, but it lasted for a long time, but now it is over. See, present perfect tense means what? Action is over, but it lasted for a long time. For example, we have lived in Pune for 10 years. Just an example. He has served the country for many years, right? I have waited for you
Yes.
for half an hour. So, all these are present perfect tense. The actions that started in the past and it continued for a long time, but now it is over. That is present perfect tense. Will you remember this much?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then, what is present perfect continuous? Continuous means ing will come. And because it is perfect, so has or have anyone helping verb will come. So here it is given, I have been staying in a hostel for 2 years. So what do you understand by present perfect continuous tense? See, continuous means what? Going on. Perfect means complete. So perfect, what is the meaning of this word perfect? Means complete. जो action complete हो गई. Continuous means it is going on. Then how is it possible? Complete and still going on? It does not match. So present perfect continuous is used when the action is partly complete and partly progressive. Partly complete and partly progressive. For example, you can say, mm, see, partly complete means started at a certain time in past, and partly progressive means still going on. For example, Ranu has been playing since morning. Means she has started playing in the morning and still she is playing. That action is not over yet. For example, I have been staying in the hostel for 2 years. मतलब, for example, this is 2021. So go back 2 years, 2019, and consider August. Okay, I have been staying in the hostel for 2 years. मतलब मैंने अगस्त 2019 से स्टार्ट किया हॉस्टल में रहना. और अभी तक रह रहा हूँ, means that action is not over yet. You getting it? 2 years means the
Yes,
action
sir.
started long back. The action started long back and it is still going on. So any doubt in this four?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Then tell me the difference between simple present and present continuous. Chalo. Because the first exercise is based on that. Simple present and present continuous. Who will tell me the difference? Just
ING.
yes, but tell me like I explained. Try to tell me in your words. How will you differentiate? Tell me. Try it. At least you can try. Anyone? Yes, Misbah, Modesa. Who else is there? I don't know the names.
जो हम रेगुलरली करते हैं ना उसको सिंपल प्रेजेंट कहते हैं, और जो जो हम कर रहे हैं ना अभी उसे कंटिन्यूस.
Hmm. Okay, no problem. See, the action that we do regularly or periodically, it is our habit. That is simple present tense. And also we can say the actions that are happening in near future. जो एक्शन अभी स्टार्ट होने ही वाली है. Our second lecture starts within a few minutes, right? Our second lecture starts within a few minutes. So that is also starts, that is also simple present tense because the action is going to take place now within a few minutes. Then universal truths like God is gracious. The earth completes its revolution around the sun in 365 days. Honesty is the best policy. For universal truth, also we use simple present tense. Present continuous, as you said, the actions that are continuous or progressive at the time of speaking means right now I am speaking and that action is going on. We are reading chapter number 4 tenses. So, are reading. The action is right now in progress, it is going on, right? And yes, one more thing, going to. Have you heard this word going to? I am going to come next week. We use this word going to. तो वो भी किस में आता है? प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस में.
Yes.
एक्शंस गोइंग टू हैपन इन नियर फ्यूचर, जो होने ही वाली है एक्शन. आई एम गोइंग टू आई एम गोइंग टू माई फ्रेंड्स हाउस टुमारो. सो गोइंग टू मीन्स नियर फ्यूचर में एक्शन होने वाली है. सो दैट गोइंग टू इज ऑल्सो considered as present continuous. Remember that. Now, is there any doubt in this too?
No, sir, no doubt.
No, sir.
Then try to give the answers. First,
Yes,
1 minute.
this is true.
Wait. If you have the books, if anyone who has got the book, I don't have any problem, but I request students to close the books, those who have got the answers.
Yes, sir.
So take your time. 1 minute I'm giving you. Then I will ask the questions from 1 to 5, means from A till E. Red?
No, sir, 2 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, no problem. Take your time. It can be confusing at times, but from this five, if you make one mistake, it's okay. But at least four answers should come correct. Now,
Yes, sir.
जो ब्रैकेट में दिया है, from that you have to write the answers, and be careful when you give the answers. उसके आगे helping verb क्या लगेगा वो is MR, that also you have to tell me because it is present, simple present and present continuous. So helping verb will be
Okay,
is MR, and it is possible that with the verb given in the bracket we can also add S when we are talking about he, she, it, a girl's name is given, or he, she, it is given, then we add S with the verb. That also you have to be careful.
okay, sir.
Now tell me answer one.
I am reading.
I'm reading.
I
Read-
am reading the detective book now.
I am reading.
Second.
They are trying
They
to
are
finish
trying.
the work
They
at
are
the
trying.
are
They are
trying.
uh,
Next.
Where are you working?
where are you working now? Alive to love.
Alice
It is
lo-
Alice.
loves.
Alice dash to play the piano. Alice means she.
Alice
I told you with
loves.
he, she, it.
Alice to love.
Loves. Love.
No.
Yes.
If you just write love, you will get zero because S is compulsory and it is grammar. With he,
Loves
she,
to
it. If
play.
it is a girl's name or a boy's name, we add S. And why is it simple present tense? Because loves to play the piano. It is an habitual action that she does daily. Chalo, next.
Yes. And
Now you
dear
will ask
father.
me, sir, what is B? First tell me what is B. यहाँ पे B क्यों लिखा है? What is the meaning of B? Which words are included in B? Is, am, are, was, were. These five words are included in B. Remember now.
E.
That are called B type verbs. Please remember
E.
now. I will not tell you again. Five words, is, am, are, was, were, are called B type verbs. Have you taken
Okay, sir.
screenshot?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir.
Then again,
नो सर 2 मिनट सर वापिस करो मैंने नहीं लिया है स्क्रीनशॉट
take it first. Done.
Yes, sir.
Now again, 1 minute I'll give you, then we will start. Think about the answers. Simple present or present continuous? Anyone? Think, don't just read. Think what should be the answer and try to introspect yourself how much is correct. Red? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So tell me the answer. F. Since it dash heavily, dash the books home carefully.
Is
Since
raining
it is
carrying
raining,
Raining,
carrying the book from
is
carefully.
raining and carrying
raining and carrying,
carrying
Carrying the books home carefully. What are you saying?
carrying,
Since it is
no
raining, carrying the
only
books
carrying
as
only
it is.
carrying.
The word
carrying.
which is given as it is. No change.
Okay.
Someone said carrying. So then next.
We are arranging for a party tomorrow, so we expect you there.
Okay.
Are arranging and
Second answer. What did you say?
expect
Expect.
Then next.
you attend the
You
class while your
attend,
brother was while your brother practicing for the match. Attend first
attend.
name.
You dash attend the class while your brother dash for the match.
You attend the class while
You
your brother practicing for the
you
match.
attend the class while your other is practicing.
Is practicing. Then next.
The bell rings, they step out.
When the
Rings,
bell rings,
yes,
they step out of the room.
Step.
The bell
step,
rings.
yes,
They step out.
Both are habitual actions, means both are the things that are done regularly. Bell rings, they step out. ये रोज की बात है, means it is regular habitual action, so it is simple present tense. There is no ing.
simple present.
Then next,
Yes, sir.
when the train dash.
Then the train
When train
arrives,
arrives,
arrives.
the
Hmm.
passenger enters.
The
The passenger
passenger
enter the
entered
coach.
the
Okay. So you know
coach
that this one is
quickly.
also habitual action. This is also the thing that takes place every day as it is. There
Yeah.
is no
Yes,
change. A passenger,
Enter.
सॉरी पैसेंजर्स दिया है तो वो मैच नहीं लगेगा passengers already s is given there, so take screenshot.
Okay, sir.
sudden.
Sudden.
Okay, so exercise 1 is also in homework along with the sentences that you have taken screenshot
Okay, sir.
before some time.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
so
Yes, sir.
bye everyone, have a nice day.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
Bye.